Peppa Pig. Peppa Goes on Holiday. And if you'd like to buy this book, check in the link description down below. Peppa and her family are going on holiday. Mummy Pig is packing their bags. Are you sure we need all that stuff, Mummy Pig? Daddy Pig asks. Yes, replies Mummy Pig. It's all very important. Mr. Bull takes Peppa, George, Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig to the airport in his taxi. Miss Rabbit checks in their bags. Then it's time to board the plane. Airplane! Meow! Cries George. Off they go, higher and higher through the clouds. Whee! Before long, their pilot, Captain Emergency, makes an announcement. We are about to land in Italy. Miss Rabbit, who is also the air stewardess, says, Please fasten your seatbelts. At the airport in Italy, they collect their hire car. Once they are on the road, they discover that the Sat-Nav only speaks Italian. Why is everyone beeping their horns at us? Asks Peppa. I expect they're just saying hello, says Mummy Pig. Suddenly, Peppa remembers something very important. Teddy! I left Teddy on the aeroplane! Oh dear, a policeman on a motorbike pulls Daddy Pig over. Hello, officer, stutters Daddy Pig. Good day, the policeman replies, reaching into his bag. I am returning this bear. Teddy! Cries Peppa. The next day, Mummy Pig suggests they do some sightseeing. Their new friend, Gabriella Goat, shows them the pretty village. Mummy Pig buys a lot of things to take home. They're going to need another suitcase. Gabriella's uncle shows Peppa and George how pizza is made. A little bit of tomato, a little bit of cheese, says Uncle Goat. Into the oven and into my tummy, says Peppa. I like pizza. What a lovely, relaxing holiday, sighs Mummy Pig as Daddy Pig drives back to the holiday house. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has been pulled over again. Mr. Pig, says the policeman, reaching in his bag. You're Teddy. Teddy, cries Peppa. After a few days, it is time for Peppa and the family to go home. Bye-bye, they call to Gabriella Goat and her family. What a lovely holiday, exclaims Daddy Pig. Yes, I have never felt so relaxed, says Mummy Pig. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has been pulled over by the policeman for the third time. Mr. Pig, please take better care of your Teddy, he says. Teddy, cries Peppa, hugging her bear. Are you going home today? Susie Sheep is waiting for Peppa when she gets home. It rained while you were away, Susie complains. Oh, good, cries Peppa. Holidays are nice, but coming home to muddy Puddles is even better. The end.